Hello, my name is Udofado Daltingod, and today we'll be showing you how we can use unordered list, which is UL, for navigation and multi-level dropdown. UL or unordered list. The UL tag is defined as an ordered or bulleted list. The UL tag is used together with the LR tag to create an unordered list. The unordered list, when used together with li elements, it contains elements that do not need to be presented in numerical order and can be rearranged without changing the meaning of the list. While I was going through um, preparing for this assignment, I came across um, some things that I actually will point out for us in the next phase of this next phase of this learning process. So one of my cited resources is W3 schools, but there is something I actually want us to say regarding what I just said. Now, this is a version of using an ordered list to create a multiple drop down. Now, this reference came from this website www.csscript.com/create a multiple level drop down menu. So I've already fixed this up and set up the Visual Studio Code. I declared my HTML5 declaration. We have doctype.html, the language, and the meta chassis. Okay, so what I'm going to be talking about here will be on the UL, which is the unordered list, and the LI, which is using it to create um, a multiple drop-down menu, and also with regards to having a CSS script attached to it. Okay, first of all, I want us to check something in W3 schools. Now, this is an example that W3 schools have presented for using an ordered list. Clicking here, we have something like this. Now, the unordered list at this other end has the code doctype with declaration, but at this other end shows the end of the other unordered list. It has what? A bullet. So the bullet here simply gives this a kind of listing where you have the coffee, the tea, the milk, and then where they are all bulleted. Now, this is like a kind of pre to what we'll see today. So here we have the UL, the class. It has to do with the main navigation menu. Now I have the LI list, which has a href to the home page, the same LI to the front end design. I'm going to change this to, I want to change it to services. The LI again href to, I'm going to change this to contact. I might do well by saying here I say okay, email something. This is another li list. I'll change this. I'll say just put let me say plan great. Okay, framework, I'm good with that. And JavaScript, I can just say maybe mission can see vision and can see Moodle, let's see, and then for this you can just see the future of technology. So we can do teams, plugins, custom posts, testimonials, okay, options and about us. So we save. Here is a list of CSS file that has already been created by me. So this CSS file defines how the drop down menu will look like using the UL list and the LI. Now we have the first section of the UL. We have the list style, set none, padding 0, background color. I choose this, so but then we might wish to choose something else, and it's not working as well, so we might leave this like that. So second part here, the CSS will have to hide the sub menus. Then we have the display block, the padding 1 EM, which is equivalent to 16 pixel. We have the text decoration on, and then the UL to hover at the background. We have the background, the color, we have the display. So now this is the CSS file. Now this CSS file will actually give us what we actually want to see. So the reference has already been made to the CSS file, so we have to save. And then let's see how it looks like on the browser. So okay, this is how it looks like. We have the home, we have the services with a drop down, and we have the contact, we have email, we have plan, we have brief, frameworks, our mission, our vision, motto, and so on. So these ones may not be working because it's a blank file. So I think that's it for now. So thank you for watching, but do not forget the reference points to this is our reference is www.cssscript.com/create a multi-level drop-down menu with CSS file and W3 schools. Thank you very much.